What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video of how to grow your Instagram account, where I'm going to be revealing to you guys my first tip on how to grow an organic following. But before I do that, I want to introduce myself so that you guys can get to know me a little bit more. So if you guys didn't know this already, my name is Trevin. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Utah. I'm married. I have a little golden doodle pup, which I actually talk a lot about in this course. I actually show you guys her Instagram account, how I was able to grow it to over 11,000 followers. So right here, as you guys can see, I was able to grow it, and now I'm able to monetize it and make money off of it. And now I have other plans, which I'm not going to reveal yet, but I have other plans of how I'm going to monetize it even more. So that's just a little snippet of what you guys are going to be learning, is how to grow an Instagram account and then how to make money from it. Okay, so that's just one example. Another example is this account. This account I've been growing for just over a year now, and it's a giveaway account, and I monetize it. People pay me to post giveaways on this account. And then this account as well is my personal business account, which I have been able to grow under a year to over 15,000 followers. So I'm approaching 16,000 followers, and I'm able to monetize and make money off of this Instagram account as well. So I do know what I'm doing, and I hope you guys can take advantage of all the content and basically techniques and strategies that I'm going to give to you, because a lot of people wouldn't do this, and I'm just trying to give you guys as much value and content for free as possible. So there's no fluff, no secrets, and that's another thing that you guys are going to get to know about me. I like being blunt and very straight to the point. I don't like beating around the bush. So I'm going to give it to you guys how it is, and I'm going to show you guys everything that you need to know. So a few other things to know about me: I love fishing, I love being in the water, I love family, I love traveling, I love just enjoying my life. And so that's basically what I decided I wanted to do. And to give you guys even a little bit more background, I went to college, I got my associate degree, and I just absolutely did not like school, and so I decided to drop out and forego entrepreneurship. So I picked up a 9-to-5 job. I was starting a few businesses, and 9 months later I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job because of an online business that I started that was Amazon FBA. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, you guys can check out my Instagram account and see what Amazon FBA is. But that is what led me to financial freedom and basically being able to quit my 9-to-5 job and to work on other projects like this one that I really love doing. I love helping people, and that's why I'm coming out with this course to help you. So another thing that I ask of you guys is to share your guys' success. Reach out to me on Instagram, ask me any questions, go to the Facebook group. I will include that in the link in the description below as well. Join that. I want to build a community, and I really want to basically build a bunch of people that are like-minded, and so that we can all help each other out. I don't know everything. You guys don't know everything either. So let's help each other out, and let's build a community of strong champions so that we can help one another and reach and get to our goals. Okay, so that is the main goal that I have, is I want to help you, and I want you guys to succeed as well, because I feel extremely blessed to be in the situation that I am in today. Okay, so that's basically a brief overview of who I am and what I'm about. So I hope you guys enjoy this course, and let's get into the first tip, which is super simple, and don't overlook it either. Okay, so the first one is posting quality content and being consistent with it. So I hear a lot of people saying, oh, just be consistent, just post. All you need to do is just post. Whatever it is, just throw it out there and post it. Okay? Yes, it's important to be consistent, but if you guys are just throwing out a bunch of garbage that no one wants to see, then that does no good. People are going to unfollow you. People are not going to see your account. And that's the whole purpose of Instagram, is people want to follow you for a specific reason. But if you guys are just posting invaluable content, that is doing the opposite of what you think it's going to do. Okay, so when you guys are posting, remember, post consistently, but make sure that it's high quality. So if you guys can post 3 times a week, that's high quality content, then do it. If you guys can post every single day and it's high quality content, then do it. But if you guys can only post once or twice or one time every other week, then do that. I promise it's going to help you in the long run, and it's going to build your Instagram to look appealing to the eye, which I'm going to be talking about, and it's going to basically get you guys more organic followers. So that is the first tip. I know it sounds simple, but please, please make sure that you guys are posting quality content that is actually relatable to your potential audience. Okay, so please implement that, and we will see you guys in the next video. So thank you guys for watching.